At our recent Ask Me Anything webinars, a woman asks, I've read Thomas Hanna's book, Somatics. I understand the red light, the green light, and the trauma reflexes, but I don't understand how to apply his theory to the fact that I'm out of balance and constantly limping. It's important to understand that Thomas Hanna's theory, postural theory, wasn't just about the red light, green light, and trauma reflexes. You have to go deeper. Thomas Hanna contended that we're not bodies, we are somas. A soma is a body as experienced from within. Everything in life is a bodily experience. What can happen is that over time, when we respond to stress repeatedly, we can become so tight that our muscle tension can accumulate over time to the point where we simply lose our ability to sense and move ourselves with ease and freedom. When you apply that to an imbalance, my suspicion is you've had some accidents or injuries, or you've engaged in a one-sided activity for a long time.